Good morning. You might be pleased, you might not be pleased to know that this is the last day of the word problems like this. Now, I'm not going to do a massive long input because we've done it the last 2 days and it's very, very similar. But I'll still just talk you through it a little bit because it might help. Okay, so capacity problems. To solve word problems I always say that wrong, don't I? To solve word problems involving conversion of units of capacity. When we're talking about capacity, we're talking about liquid. So we're going to be working in millilitres and litres. Now, if you think back to when we very first started doing this, you might still have your poster. The magic number you need to know, and I would have written down somewhere, is that 1,000 millilitres is 1 litre. So to do your conversions, you're going to be timesing and dividing by 1,000. Okay, so moving it 3 places along. So an example there, and it says, a saucepan holds 2.3 litres of boiling water. 25 millilitres evaporates every minute. How much water is left if it boils for 30 minutes? Now, the first thing you have to spot is we've got 2.3 litres and 25 millilitres. So we've got 2 different amounts. Now, what I would start with is doing 25 millilitres times 30 because we know it's 25 millilitres every minute and we know that we have to work out 30 minutes worth. Okay, so to do that, set it out as a column, times everything by the 0 first. Then when you times by the 3, don't be a numpty. Remember that that 3 is in the tens column, so we must put that 0 in the ones. Okay, once you've worked that out, so they've done it for us here, so it's 750 millilitres, you need to turn it into litres. Now, I've got the camera on the answer here, but if you didn't know the answer, what you would have to do is 750 divided by 1,000. So you'd write your hundreds, your tens, your ones, your point, your tenths, your hundredths, your thousands if you wanted to, and you move everything smaller, so right 3 decimal places. Okay, so that 30 minutes is going to be 0.75 litres. Now, when we read the question, it told us that we had 2.3 litres of boiling water. Okay, and we know that we'd evaporated 0.75, so we need to do that 2.3, subtract the 0.75, and then we get our answer. That one's at the top of the page to remind you how to do it. Okay, 13 people order soup in a restaurant. Each bowl holds 300 millilitres. How much soup is served in litres? That's literally saying 13 lots of 300, and then we want it from millilitres into litres. Okay, so when we work from millilitres into litres, we're going to divide by 1,000. So there's 2 steps you need to do. I'll read through number 2. After that, because we've done this for 2 days already, I'm just going to let you get on. If you are struggling though, ask and I'll help people with individual questions. So 2. A watering can holds 3 litres. 600 millilitres is used. How much water is left in the can? So to start with, you need to get it into litres or into millilitres. You choose whatever you find easiest. And then we use 300 millilitres. It's gone. It's been taken away. Big clue for you there. Okay. Start on A if you want to. Have a go at B. If you manage B, have a go at the big challenge. C. You can do it. Okay. Good luck. Remember, we are here to help you.